So this is Planet's wall mounts. This is just an 8-port switch with 2 ports of SFP. So we're just going to take a look and have a look at this. The actual part number is listed down here below. You've got our manual. We've got our wall mount kit, DIN rail kit, magnetic kit, terminal block and some dust caps, along with some screws and some wall plugs. Take a look at the switch. So you've got your 8 ports of Ethernet there. You've got your power supply inputs. So this one can go from 12 to 48 volts DC. You've got your 2 ports of SFP and your reset button there. So it's the back of the switch. So that's the 8-port Ethernet switch from Planet.